Hey guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's Smartass Sass. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my May Smartass Sass just arrived, and if you haven't been following me, this is probably my 5th or 6th box now in a row, and I love this box. I do need to disclaimer that contents in this box may have foul language, but it's a tasteful foul language most of the time. So if you do not like cuss words in general, or you have little ears, earmuffs, because I may be saying some things because I'm reading things inside. That being said, let's go ahead and see what is inside. Now, they did change their box. This is a different size, but it still has the Smartass Sass. It still says, well-behaved women seldom make history, and classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. And not to forget my favorite part, drop it like it's hot. No, not really. It's fragile. I love that. So I just love this box in general. The sense of humor is just right up my alley. And I tell you guys that every time I unbox this. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what this month brings us. Alrighty. So I hope you guys had a wonderful day. Today is Monday. Monday. And it was so busy at work today. It's like, yep, it's Monday. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like inside this box. It looks like everything is crammed inside their new little box here. So they always have the little card here that talks about their t-shirts, and then they have a card here that goes over the items inside and the pricing. Now, Smartass Sass, if you don't know, now you'll know. They have 2 different subscriptions. Actually, have 3. They have 3 different levels. One, you can do the shirt only that comes inside, and that's $15.95 plus shipping. Or you can do everything but the shirt, and that one is $34.95. Or you can do the one that I get, and that is the shirt plus the Smartass essentials inside, and that one is $49.95. And the shirt sizes range from extra small to 3XL, just in case you wanted to know. Now let's go ahead and dive in this month's. Last month, they do always give you a spoiler for the theme of the following month, and it was Girls Just Want to Have Sun, I believe. Yep, Girls Just Want to Have Sun. And oh, doesn't that look like paradise where all you see is nothing but beautiful blue waters? Oh, I wish I could be there. Yes, and yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we got. First thing right on top, this is a sheet mask. There's 2 peel-off masks inside. This is from Masquerade. I have got this before in another subscription box, and this is the Rose All Day Rose Gold Peel-Off Sheet Mask. And again, there's 2 of them inside, and these do work really, really well. This says, our rose gold peel-off mask is made with real 24 karat gold flakes that your skin will drink up in a wink. Package contains 2 rose gold peel-off masks, free from parabens, artificial fragrance, and mineral oil. Retail value of this guy right here is $6. You can find them at masquerade.com and enter SASS20, SASS 20 for 20% off your total. Next, let's go in this guy right here. Don't fry your ass. Lotion bar. Net weight 1.5 ounce. This is from Badger Face Beauty Supply. Keep the sun where it fucking belongs, off your back. Hell yes. That is so cute. And then on the back it says, keep your skin where it fucking belongs, off your ass. Good stuff. Shea butter, coconut oil, white beeswax, titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, vanilla absolute, chamomile flower water, no fake shit. So there's no fake shit about it. And, all right. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, so don't fry your ass sunscreen bar. This is a dope ass super moisturizing lotion bar embedded with some excellent botanical extracts, chamomile and vanilla, non-neo zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, because when you're dealing with the sun protection, you don't want to fuck around. No, you don't. So this right here says intended to have SPF 6 through 11 tested out before you commit to lying on the beach for hours. Okay. This is valued at $8.29, and it is a bar of, it's not hard. It's pliable, probably the beeswax, but it smells really, really good. It smells really good. I will never ever complain about getting any type of sun protection, skin protection, anything like that. So that is really cute. I love the packaging. This is why I love my Smartass and Sass, because like I said, when I say it calls me, it calls me. It has my sense of humor down to a T. And yes, keep the sun where it fucking belongs, off your ass. Or off your back. Off your ass too. So there's number 2. Okay, let's go on into, let's see here. There's something, is these playing cards? Here's a set of playing cards. Sarcastic card deck from Smartass and Sass. We are beyond excited about this fully customized sassy deck of cards. The colorful cuties will inspire hours of fun or a quirky art piece. Each numbered card features a different hilarious phrase. P.S. Does contain profanity. $15. So the back is their logo, so they're all like that, which I love. This color, their box, their colors are my colors, so I absolutely love that. And then here are their actual, and I guess it's, some of them have some things on them. So let's see if we can find some of the little things here. So I may not be able to turn water into wine, but I can turn ice cream into breakfast. As long as everything is exactly the way I want, I'm totally flexible. I'm not trying to be difficult. It just comes naturally. I have 2 moods. 1, constant panic. 2, it is what it is. Today, I'm all about 90% coffee and 10% dry shampoo. I'm stuck somewhere in between. I need to save money and you only live once. Eat cake today. It's someone's birthday somewhere. I don't sugarcoat shit. I'm not Willy Wonka, and I say that all the time. I literally say that all the time. I don't sugarcoat shit. I'm not Willy Wonka, and those are my exact words. I don't have a bucket list. My bucket list is a mile long, and they did give us that on I think it was a notepad, and I love that notepad. There's Jack, King, Queen. I need a nap, 3 tacos, and a margarita. Ooh, that sounds good. I love long walks away from everyone. I tried to behave, but there were way too many other options. My grocery list: 1, don't run into anyone I know. 2, eggs. Life update, still a mess. It's called karma, and it's pronounced haha fuck you. I'm going to hell on a full scholarship. Hell yeah. My dream job would be the Karma Delivery Service. Bill Murray. Karma Delivery Service, that's awesome. So there's so much more, but I'm not gonna sit here for 10 minutes and read them all. This is hilarious though. I mean, I am so glad that I got this set of cards. This is just hilarious. I love this. And again, this is valued at $15. Now you guys, if you don't wanna buy the whole box, you can purchase everything individually from their website. So I do have a link down below if you want to check out their subscriptions, or if you want to just check out anything that they have on their website, follow the link down below and check them out. Like I said, you can purchase everything individually, the shirts, the items, all of this stuff. So here's a deck of cards, again valued at $15. This looks like it's a cup. Oh, here's a lid. and here's a straw. One thing I'm seeing though, which kind of throws me off, is there's a lime green straw, a lime green lid, but the thing on here is a teal green, which I love teal green, but I don't necessarily think teal green goes with lime green, but no problem. That's what I'm gonna be rocking. And it says, girls just wanna have sun. And it looks kind of like the like a campfire type symbol. It has a sun with some, I don't know, trees and like a road. But again, there's the teal green, and then here is the straw. So there's that. And this guy right here says, girls just want to have sun mason jar tumbler from Smartass Sass. This cute tumbler will keep you hydrated on the beach. It can hold 20 plus ounces and comes with a reusable straw. Be sure to wash this sunny mason jar by hand to keep the teal graphic looking hot. So maybe they put this on, or somebody put that on. I'm not sure, but I don't have a dishwasher. I took it out to put cabinets. So I will definitely wash it by hand, because I wash everything by hand. So there is a really cool drinking cup or glass or whatever, and it's like a mason jar. So that's really cute, and it's plastic. So if you drop it, it's not going to break. So that is adorable. Next item we have in here, you guys, this looks like Stay Shady. This looks like this would be like a sunglass container or a case, which that is really cool, because a lot of companies that send us sunglasses sometimes do not send us cases for them. So I could always use a good case, especially that's really cute. Stay Shady. No pun intended. So this right here, let me see if I can find it. Oh, this is Stay Shady sunglass case and too hot to handle zipper tote. So let me dig in here and grab that, because these two are combined together. This was at the bottom. And the case is valued at $10. It says, this heather gray case will keep your sunnies looking sharp. Protect your glasses from scratches and smudges, valued at $10. And then the tote, this cotton bag is 15 by 17.5 for toting all your summery stuff. It's the same kind of tote we used for last year's summer box with a refreshed design, valued at $18. Ooh, that is very pretty. And it's like a hunter green with the leaves. That is very pretty. And it says too hot to handle. That is a big, good sized bag. You can toss all of your beach essentials, or you can toss anything in there. I mean, this could be, if you, I don't know, if you go anywhere and you want to throw stuff in, or if you have a child that goes overnight staying some places, they can use it. I mean, this is a canvas, good size, high quality looking bag that you can use for anything. I like that. And it does have the black zipper, and it's just all open inside. And again, too hot to handle. That is very cute. Even for travel, for anything. This is an anything canvas bag, and I love that. I love that. Again, this is valued at $18. So there's a few more items in here, you guys. Let's go ahead and see. This says, don't mind if I do. And this is like a beer or drink cozy, and it has some really cute starfish, and it's all in blues, which I love me some blues. So that is so cute. Don't mind if I do can cooler from Cinder plus Salt. You don't have to live in the sea to drink like a fish. Can coolers are made with poly foam and are printed and hand sewn in Cinder and Salt's low impact print shop, valued at $6. And you can go to cinderandsalt.com, use code stay salty for 20% off. And yeah, so that is really cute. Again, this is valued at $6, and that is a value. That's one thing about this box, you guys. They literally give you true to value. They don't overinflate their pricing. They don't tell you this is going to be valued at over $200 when it's not. They just bring you awesome, amazing, cool little gifts that you would never imagine, but I love them. So the next item in here says collectible design number 1, sassy stickers by, stickies by Smartass Sass. Don't be a prick. Are you serious? Don't be a prick. Oh my gosh. Okay, have you guys seen any of my other video where I did put in even a screenshot, and I'll have to do it again just to show you guys. In my office, I have a letter board and it says, don't be a prick. And I put cactuses around just so if somebody looked at it, they didn't think I'm just a straight bitch. But it says, don't be a prick for a reason. And like I said, I put little cactuses around just to make it look a little better. And when I was younger, I think I was like 18 to 19, I had on my car at the time, big old letters that went across the whole back of my windshield on my car, and it said, don't be a prick. Yeah, I had that. And these say, don't be a prick with a cactus on them. Oh my goodness. They couldn't have sent anything better. Like that, that can't be me anymore. Like, again, that is freaking amazing. I love these. I absolutely love these. So don't be a prick sticky notes from Smartass and Sass. Keep track of your do's and remind yourself or others to check their attitude. A lot of people need to check their attitude. Printed on a Post-it brand 3x3 pad, features 50 sheets and valued at $3. I can't believe that. And don't be a prick. Like, I literally have that on my message board. I literally, when I was a kid, had that on the back of my car. You could see it from a mile away. It was the whole length. Like, the letters were like this big, just the whole bottom of my windshield, back window. That's not my windshield, my back window. Yes. That is crazy. So the last thing in here is the shirt. This is a little like mustardy colored shirt. I mean, okay, no problem. We get different colors all the time. So let's see what it is going to say, because that is the part that I absolutely love. So this one says, sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. How cute. Okay, so this is this month's shirt. I have several different shirts from them already, and I love every single one of them. So this is this month's shirt. So that, and the shirt would be valued at the $15.95, like as if you just got this by itself. So that is everything that came in this month's box. Now again, the theme was girls just want to have sun. So they did this amazing shirt right here. You have your drink cozy. Don't be a prick. That, oh my God, I love this. This amazing canvas bag that is so cute. You have a plastic mason jar, which that's cool. You can put anything you want to drink in here. And it says, girls just want to have sun right on it. So that is awesome. You have this really cool case for your glasses. Stay shady. You have the don't fry your ass off sunscreen bar lotion. You have the amazing card set, which I can't wait to go through the rest of them to read those. You have the 2 masks from Masquerade. And yeah, that is everything. So comment down below, you guys, let me know, how did you like this month's box? I love this month's box every single month. And again, you can do just the shirt, just the contents without the shirt, or the whole 9 yards. Or you can go to their website and purchase the individual items from all of the boxes directly. And I believe they do have different theme boxes if you wanted to do like a gift or for yourself. They have so many different options on their website. So please go ahead and down below will be their link. Go check them out. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Peace out, bitches.